Interactive charts increase stakeholder engagement by 47% compared to static charts, according to a 2025 data visualization study. A data validation dropdown linked to index formulas lets users select which data series to display. The chart updates instantly when the selection changes, no macros needed. Form controls from the Developer tab add scroll bars, checkboxes, and option buttons that control chart visibility. Link each control to a cell, then use if formulas to show or hide data series. Named ranges with offset or index create charts that automatically expand when new data arrives. No more manually updating chart data ranges every month. I build 3 interactive charts: a metric selector drop-down chart, a checkbox toggle for comparing series, and an auto-expanding timeline chart, all from scratch with step-by-step explanation. Interactive charts impress bosses and clients alike. Subscribe and grab the template from the description to start building your own.